How do you say friend in Irish? If you are curious about how to say friend in Irish, you are in for a treat. Knowing a few basic Irish phrases can truly enhance your travel experience in Ireland. The word for friend in Irish is cara. This term is widely used and is a great way to connect with locals during your visit. When you want to say my friend, you would use the phrase mo cara. This is especially handy when introducing someone to others. For example, if you want to say, this is my friend, you would say, sio mo cara. It is a simple yet effective way to make introductions and show your friendliness. But wait, there is more. If you want to express a closer bond, you can say cara more, which means great friend or close friend. This phrase adds a special touch when talking about someone you are particularly fond of. Another term you might hear is anchara, which is often used in more formal or poetic contexts. Using these phrases can really help you communicate better with the Irish people. They appreciate when visitors make an effort to speak their language, even if it is just a few words. It shows respect for their culture and can lead to warmer interactions. When you are traveling around Ireland, you might find that locals are more than willing to help you out if you greet them with a friendly mo cara. Whether you are in a bustling city or a quaint village, these phrases can break the ice and create a more enjoyable experience. So, as you plan your trip, remember to practice saying cara and mo cara. They are simple yet powerful phrases that can open doors to new friendships and memorable moments. Learning a bit of the local language is one of the best travel tips you can follow. It can make your journey more rewarding and help you connect with the heart of Ireland.